WKHS stock analysis and WKHS stock prediction. What I'll be doing in this brief and short 1-minute video is showing you my exact play with Workhorse Group, sitting at $2.67. I'm looking to definitely take it further up. Not in a way where I'm just going to randomly buy though. You know what I mean? Like my most recent prediction was waiting for a pull down, which is, I said like even in that video, it's totally unrealistic, but I'm hoping I see some corrections, and it's on those corrections when I have a double break to take it further up, you know what I mean? So all I will be doing in the meantime is I'll keep waiting and have like 2 results in here. If there is no confirmation, man, then there's no way I'm gonna look to buy, you know what I mean? So that's how Workhorse is looking like, and just simple. I'm sticking to the process that works. We're fine over 5 years. It's all on my YouTube channel, and if you want picks and all that good jazz formula, click the first link in the description. It's absolutely risk free.